Let us study about the SI system. Okay, what are the basic fundamental quantities and their units? If you notice that there are seven fundamental quantities. Okay, what are the different seven fundamental quantities? Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, and amount of substance. So length, okay, say 1 meter, or we can say length of the scale. Say scale we use commonly in centimeters, but you can see we use only meters when you buy cloth and all. Say 1 meter, 2 meters. So everywhere in the world we use meters only. Even the word centimeter comes from the word meter only. So the basic unit for length will be meter. Okay, meter. Then what is symbol of meter? Very simple. Just write the first letter M. This is meter. ME will come. Okay, that is METRE, meter, and then M. So meter. Then mass, everyone knows that is we buy things. Okay, things are measured in kilograms. So say we buy 5 kg rice. Okay, so that is kilogram. Then symbol for this will be kg. Okay, kilogram. All of us know that kilogram. Then time. Time we measure in seconds. Okay, so seconds. Time is measured in seconds. Symbol for that, yes only. Okay, we have to write only yes. Then let's see next one, temperature. Okay, temperature usually we use Celsius scale. In some countries use Fahrenheit, but that causes confusion. So everywhere in the world we use only one common thing called as Kelvin scale. Kelvin. Okay, this is commonly in the world. So Kelvin, the symbol will be capital K. Okay, why? Because it's the name of a scientist. Meter, kilogram, second, small letters. This should be in capital letters. It's name of scientist. Then electric current. If you notice in switches, they'll mark 5 amp, 10 amp switch and all. So current is measured in amperes. AMPERE, ampere. Again, ampere is the name of scientist, so we write the symbol as capital A. Then luminous intensity. That means how bright something is. Okay, so that luminous intensity we measure in candela. Candela. So short form for that, or the symbol for that, is CD, small c and small d. Then amount of substance. Suppose we take a little bit of salt. How many atoms are in the salt? That we can count by using moles. Okay, so there's a mole here, and the symbol for that is MOL. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities and their units. Now let us study about a few derived quantities and their units. If you see in the book, they are given many derived quantities. We'll go each thing one by one a little later, but now we'll just see only the basic things. Okay, so first one that I take here is area. Okay, so let's take the area of a square or rectangle. I'll draw it for you. So area will be length into breadth. So the expression for area is equal to length into breadth. That will give us the area. Now formula A is equal to area is length into breadth. So length is measured in meters. Breadth is also measured in meters. This is meter power 1, meter power 2. So meter into meter will give us meter square. So the unit will be meter square. Okay, so that is the unit of area. Next we'll take volume. The second one is volume. Okay, so we have used liters and all. Okay, so when you buy oil or milk, we say in liters, half liter packet of milk, 1 liter packet of milk. But when you see in science, okay, we must take in meters only, or a meter cube. Let's see how to do that. So let me take a square cube here. I'll draw like this way. 2 squares, join them like this way. So if you see volume, that will be length into breadth into height, or you can say area into height also you can say. So volume is equal to length into breadth. I'll write the full form first. Length into breadth into height. So length is measured in meters, breadth is measured in meters, height is measured in meters. So you get the SI unit to be as meter cube. 1 2 3 no, so you add the powers. This is meter power 1, meter power 1, meter power 1. So when you add the multiply them, add the powers, so meter cube. Then third one, density. Okay, this also will just see that in the introduction. So density means it's the formula we must use now. Okay, that means we say commonly we say thickness. Okay, so density D is equal to mass by volume. Mass by volume. Let's divide this in C and see the formula. So mass we say kilogram, volume we got in meter cube. No, mass we know, yes, you know, mass is kilogram, volume is meter cube. So what is the unit for this? It will come as kilogram per meter cube. I'll just take this thing, I'll write a slash there. Okay, it's kilogram per meter cube. That's how to see. So there are many more derived quantities. When we learn more and more, we'll see each thing one by one.